Temperatures are often reported in Fahrenheit or in Celsius. It's simply a matter of two different scales that represent the exact same temperature. So in the Fahrenheit scale, water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit and freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. On the Celsius scale, it's 100 degrees that water boils at and 0 degrees that it freezes at. 37 degrees Celsius is the average adult body temperature, and 98.6 if you're on the Fahrenheit scale. So it's just a different way of representing the same numbers. Sometimes we have to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. There's two different formulas that you can use to do that. This first one, Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 times the Celsius temperature plus 32, or this one, Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 times Celsius plus 32. It doesn't matter which one you use, but the second one is the one we're going to use because it doesn't require fractions. Let's plug our number in. We have 50 degrees Celsius is what we want to convert, so we'll put it into our formula. So that'd be times the 50 and then plus 32. So we're going to multiply 1.8 times 50 plus 32. So if you remember with order of operations from before, we're going to multiply first. So 1.8 times 50 is 90. And then we'll add the 32. And 90 plus 32 is 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's try another problem then. All right, on this one, the temperature is 29 degrees Celsius that we want to convert to Fahrenheit. So we'll plug it into the formula, 1.8 times 29 plus 32. Multiply first, so 1.8 times 29 is 52.2 plus 32. And the answer is 84.2 degrees Fahrenheit. When you were working with temperatures, we would normally go to the first decimal point here if there's any rounding involved. So this one we'll just leave as 84.2 degrees. So next we're going to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Again, two different formulas. You could do Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5/9. Or this formula where the 5/9 is converted to 0.5556. So we're going to use the second one again, just because it doesn't have a fraction. All right, and we're going to use 60 degrees Fahrenheit. So 60 minus 32 times 0.556. First step would be because of order of operations, we're going to do the work in the parentheses. So 60 minus 32 is 28, and then we're going to multiply that times 0.556, and the answer is 15.5568. Put the decimal point in the right spot. So this actually gave us a 4-digit decimal point. We want to round to get to the 2, and if you remember how to round, we're going to round to this number. So we look at the number to the right of it, which would be this. If it's 5 or greater, we add 1 to that number. So the answer is 15.6 degrees Celsius. And then finally, for our last problem, we're going to convert 55 degrees Fahrenheit. So 55 minus 32 times 0.556. If you want to try these on your own, you can stop the video, give it a shot, and then see what your answer is. 55 minus 32 is 23 times 0.5556. The answer to that is 12.7788. And we're going to round that to 12.8 because we'll look at the 7. It's 5 or greater, so that would, we'd add 1 to this number. So we get 12.8 degrees Celsius. So that's simple enough to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, Celsius to Fahrenheit.